and she caused him to shave off the 7 locks of his head. And she began to afflict him, and his strength went from him. The Philistines took him and put out his eyes and brought him down to Gaza and bound him with feathers of brass, and he did grind in the prison house. Howbeit the hair of his head began to grow again after he was shaven. Then the lords of the Philistines gathered them together for to offer a great sacrifice unto Dagon their god, and to rejoice, for they said,
Our God had delivered Samson, our enemy, into our hand.
And when the people saw him, they praised their God, for they said,
Our God had delivered into our hands our enemy, and the destroyer of our country, which slew many of us.
And they called for Samson out of the prison house, and he made them sport, and they set him between the pillars.
Suffer me, that I may feel the pillars whereupon the house standeth, that I may lean upon them.
Now the house was full of men and women, and all the lords of the Philistines were there. And there were upon the roof about 3,000 men and women that beheld while Samson made sport. And Samson called unto the Lord and said,
O Lord God, remember me, I pray thee, and strengthen me, I pray thee, only this once, O God, that I may be at once avenged of the Philistines for my 2 eyes.
And Samson took hold of the 2 middle pillars upon which the house stood, and on which it was borne up, and of the one with his right hand, and of the other with his left. And Samson said,
Let me die with the Philistines.
And he bowed himself with all his might.